Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make an offer in Poshmark. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Poshmark app. So once you have tapped it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to get logged in. After you have done this, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. After you have done this as well, you need to tap on my closet. So here you can find different kind of items that you have already listed. So simply select one, and once you have selected it, you can find the option called offer on the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on the offer section, and now you can simply type in your offer, like your shipping discounts or your initial cash discounts or anything, and hit the submit button on the top right hand side of the corner. After you have done this, you can also add a comment about like what kind of offer you are presenting or what you would be liking instead of it and stuff like that. After you have done this, you need to simply post on it and you will be able to post an offer on Poshmark. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.